We are now entering section 3.2, and it's all about polynomial functions. We're looking at the anything higher than a degree of 2. And so the first section within this section is talking about graphs of polynomial functions. So one thing you need to know is that all polynomial functions are continuous. That means there's no breaks or gaps or holes within the graph. Like this one, we have a gap here, so it is not a polynomial function. This one would be considered piecewise because of the gap. This one has nice smooth curves on it, and so because of that, it can still be considered a polynomial function. However, if you look at this page, this is an absolute function, and it has a corner. It's got a sharp edge to it. Any edge that is sharp like that would not be a polynomial function. Depending on what the n is on this one's a 2. Because it's even, both arms will either go up or they will all both go down. So any even function, both arms would be going the same direction. However, if it's odd, one will go up, one will go down. You could either see one going like this, up, down. As n gets bigger, so like say we're getting higher and higher up, like say x to the 5th, you're going to have a flatter graph near the origin. So here's what this looks like. Notice that this is negative. So instead of going like this, it's going to go the other way. It will go like this because it's negative. And this part of the graph will be flat. So let's look at that. It is. Notice that this part is much flatter than it would be if it were x to the 3rd. X to the 4th is an even function, and notice there's nothing negative in front, it's positive, so it's going to have something that looks like this. And if it were just to the 2nd, it would be much more parabolic, but this is going to be flatter in this section, and you can see that here.